Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to the pursuit of financial independence. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we share my best tips and advice for achieving your financial goals and attaining lasting financial freedom. Financial independence may seem like an ambitious or even intimidating goal, but with the right knowledge and a methodical approach, it becomes entirely achievable. Whether you want to retire early, travel the world, or simply feel financially secure, this channel is designed for you. I'm convinced that by adopting sound financial practices, investing wisely, developing your skills, and staying disciplined, you can move closer to your financial independence each day. So, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and join this community dedicated to financial success. 1. Set clear financial goals. To achieve financial independence, it's essential to start by defining clear and specific financial goals. Take the time to reflect on what financial independence means to you. Is it the ability to leave your current job, travel the world without financial constraints, or simply have enough money to support yourself and your family? Once you've identified your goals, ensure they are measurable and achievable. For example, if you wish to save a certain amount of money, set a realistic deadline to achieve it. You can also establish intermediate milestones to assess your progress and ensure you're on the right track. Keep your goals in mind at all times and use them as a source of motivation when making financial decisions. By focusing on your objectives, you'll be more inclined to make responsible financial choices and stay disciplined on your journey toward financial independence. 2. Create a budget. A well-planned budget is one of the cornerstones of successful financial management. To create an effective budget, start by evaluating your monthly income, considering all sources of income, such as your salary, rental income, investments, or other sources. Next, review all your monthly expenses, including bills, rent or mortgage, groceries, leisure activities, insurance, and other recurring costs. Don't overlook less frequent expenses, such as repairs or annual taxes. Once you have a comprehensive view of your income and expenses, identify areas where you can reduce spending without compromising your quality of life. For some, this might mean cutting back on dining out or impulsive purchases, while for others, it might involve negotiating better deals on utilities or subscriptions. Finally, allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Set a monthly savings goal and make sure to stick to it. A well-managed budget will help you maximize your savings potential, enabling you to progress toward financial independence more quickly and effectively. 3. Eliminate debts. Debts can be a major financial burden that hinders your progress toward financial independence. One of the first priorities in your quest for financial independence should be to reduce and eliminate your debts. Start by listing all your debts, including credit card balances, student loans, car loans, and personal loans. Prioritize them based on interest rates, giving priority to high-interest debts as they cost more in the long run. Allocate a portion of your budget to repay these debts as quickly as possible. You can adopt the snowball method by paying off the smallest debts first, or the highest interest rate first approach by repaying the highest interest debts first. By gradually reducing your debts, you'll free up your future cash flow for savings and investments, bringing you closer to financial independence. 4. Save and invest. Regular saving and investing are two key elements in building your wealth and getting closer to financial independence. The first step is to create an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. Ideally, this emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Next, determine a percentage of your income that you want to allocate to savings and investments. Automate these contributions by setting up automatic deductions from your bank account each month. For savings, consider safe and liquid savings vehicles, such as high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. These accounts offer financial stability while generating some income in the form of interest. When it comes to investments, look for options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are popular choices for their diversification and relatively low management fees. The compounding effect can play a key role in growing your investments over time. By reinvesting dividends and gains from your investments, you increase your base capital and potential returns. Keep in mind that investing always carries some level of risk, so it's important to understand the financial products you're investing in and diversify your portfolio to reduce risks. 5. Create passive income streams. Passive income streams are revenue streams that require an initial investment but then generate income continuously with little or no additional effort. Creating passive income sources is an excellent strategy to accelerate your progress toward financial independence. Rental real estate is one of the most popular passive income sources. By investing in properties, you can earn regular rental income that covers your operating expenses and generates additional income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is another form of passive income. By holding shares of companies that regularly pay dividends, you can enjoy a steady income stream without having to sell your shares. Creating digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or videos can also be a source of passive income. Once you've created the product, you can sell it online continuously, generating passive income in the long run. Be realistic about the time and effort required to create and maintain these passive income sources. Some may require significant upfront investment in time and money, but they can be powerful ways to diversify your income and accelerate your path to financial independence. 6. Develop your skills. Developing your professional and financial skills is a crucial step in increasing your income and financial prospects. Investing in yourself allows you to access better job opportunities and maximize your earning potential. Identify areas where you want to improve your skills and focus on training, courses, or certifications that will help you reach your goals. This could be specialized training in your field of work, a course on financial management, or training in entrepreneurship. Also, consider developing complementary skills that could open new career prospects or create additional income opportunities. Learning digital marketing, computer programming, or foreign languages, for example, can broaden your horizons and make you more attractive to employers or potential clients. When developing your skills, be open to continuous learning opportunities. The world is evolving rapidly, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies to remain competitive in the job market. 7. Diversify your income sources. Relying solely on a single income, whether it's a full-time job or a single investment source, carries significant risk. To increase income stability and minimize risks, diversify your income sources as much as possible. If you currently have a paid job, consider ways to increase your income. This could involve asking for a raise, negotiating a higher salary when starting a new job, or exploring freelance opportunities to earn additional income. Simultaneously, consider developing passive income sources, as mentioned earlier, which allow you to generate extra income without relying solely on traditional employment. Also, diversify your investments. Avoid putting all your money into a single asset or sector. Allocate your portfolio across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or commodities, to reduce risk and maximize return opportunities. When diversifying your income and investments, maintain a balanced approach that takes into account your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. 8. Be prudent with expenses. Prudent expense management is essential to free up financial resources and accelerate your progress toward financial independence. Following a well-planned budget is a critical first step in maintaining control over your expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending without compromising your quality of life. This might involve renegotiating certain contracts, seeking special offers, or comparing prices before making significant purchases. Reduce unnecessary expenses and impulsive purchases. Take the time to consider whether a major purchase is truly necessary and aligns with your long-term financial priorities before making it. Develop savings habits by automating your savings contributions as soon as you receive your income. This will allow you to set aside a portion of your earnings before you're tempted to spend it. Prudent expense management will help you save more money, accelerate debt repayment, and increase your investment capabilities, ultimately reaching financial independence more quickly. 9. Create an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a reserve of liquid cash designed to handle unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. It's essential to build a solid emergency fund to protect yourself from life's uncertainties and avoid going into debt in case of urgent financial needs. Start by setting a savings goal for your emergency fund. Ideally, it should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. If you have dependents or less stable employment, you may consider saving an even larger reserve. Use a separate savings account for your emergency fund to keep it distinct from your other savings or investment accounts. A high-yield savings account is a good option as it allows you to generate some income through interest while keeping the money accessible for emergencies. Resist the temptation to use your emergency fund for non-essential purchases or vacations. This fund should be reserved for emergency situations only, such as health issues, unexpected car repairs, or job losses. Keep in mind that the emergency fund should be replenished every time it's used. Once you've used a portion of the emergency fund, make an effort to restore it to its original level as quickly as possible. 10. Track your progress. To stay on track in your quest for financial independence, it's essential to regularly monitor your progress. Periodically reassess your goals, finances, and action plan to ensure you're on the path to achieving your objectives. Establish a tracking system to monitor your income, expenses, debts, and investments. You can use spreadsheets, financial apps, or budget management tools to facilitate this process. Regularly review your investments to ensure they still align with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed to maintain an appropriate balance across different asset classes. Analyze your progress toward your financial goals and adjust your action plan based on changes in your life, priorities, and the financial market. Be prepared to make adjustments when necessary, all while keeping your objectives in mind. By tracking your progress regularly, you'll be able to stay motivated, celebrate your achievements, and take corrective actions if you veer off course. Perseverance and discipline are the keys to achieving long-term financial independence. Thank you so much for following this video on financial independence. I sincerely hope you found useful and inspiring information to help you on your own journey to financial freedom. Remember that financial independence is not a destination but rather a continuous journey. It takes time, patience, and determination, but every little step you take brings you closer to your financial dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like it, share it with your loved ones, and leave a comment telling me what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our future posts about financial independence and money management. Together, we'll take the necessary steps to build a strong and fulfilling financial future. Thank you once again for giving me your time and attention. See you soon for more financial adventures on this channel.